Hi guys, Ford Focus Dash in for repair. Swapping out the screen for a new one. Right, remove back cover. The thinner catches. Hold the back cover on. A bit of a pig. So just work your way around and she'll come off. The catches on the front cover, if you look carefully, the clips lie underneath the back case, or sorry, the middle case. So you've got to lift the catch from the back and then try and move, move the front cover forward. Okay, another 4 to do. Okay, so that was a real pig to get off. So needles simply twist and lift. For the fuel and the temperature gauge, twist the opposite way and lift. Next job, remove the metal cover around the screen. Four metal catches, we just twist slightly so they line up. Lift the holes in the board, or the slits in the board, and that should lift out. Right Ryan, if you want to zoom in, there's a catch, a little wedge, sorry not catch, a wedge connector that holds the cable in, so you just want to gently lift that up. And out she comes. Okay, to remove the printed circuit board, push the catches in around the board and out she comes. You might need to remove the board if you want to change a points of motor or something like that. Clip it back in. Okay, refitting the new one. Line the ribbon cable up, drop it into the wedge connector, then just close it with your nail. You'll probably need to support the back of the board with your hand. The screen has a protective film which we're just going to take off. So refit the metal cage. Twist the catches back into place. Okay, let's test this. Okay guys, screen working perfect on test. Happy with that. Thanks for watching.